team and I have been talking about how to make our offers look as presentable as possible and how to win. And when you're in a multiple offer situation, obviously price is the first thing that comes to mind for most sellers. They're going to look to get the most money they possibly can for their home. So many times we're over offering whatever the asking price is. We're going sometimes 10, 20, as much as 75,000 in our area in the East Coast, higher. The other thing that you can do is do a large deposit so that you're looking attractive. You hopefully are doing conventional financing more so than government financing. Although if an agent really understands the way the process works, there's some good points to doing FHA, CHFA, there's some good attractions to the first-time home buyer out there. And some agents will work with you on that. Most really want conventional or cash, which isn't always possible for these first-time home buyers. The other thing that's attractive would be to do, we call them a love letter, or just a little letter about them and their family and what interests them in the home and how much they appreciate the home and they can see themselves living there in the future. That's usually a big win. Sellers really like to hear boasting about their home, so they like to hear the good stuff about it. Always ask the listing agent what's important to the seller. Are they looking for a speedy timeline? Are they looking for a long time to stay in the home and they don't want to sell for 3 or 4 months? See what the seller's looking for and try to accommodate that so that you look attractive. So I would say not only doing a large deposit, doing a nice letter to the sellers, asking what the seller's looking for with closing timelines, and if there's anything else specific they're looking for, but you might consider doing an as-is, maybe waiving inspections, or even waiving the appraisal, depending on how much money you're putting down. In other words, if it doesn't appraise to that $20,000 over asking price that you offered, will you be able to move forward still, even if it doesn't appraise? And that's important to the sellers. They want the smoothest deal possible to get to the end without any kind of ruffles. So that's always what they're looking for, is in their best interest. So when we make an offer, we want to present the best possible offer we can. I feel very confident that it could help you win in a multiple offer situation. Our team has been preparing for the last 1.5 years, getting all offers accepted as much as possible. We don't always win, but we're definitely really good at preparing an offer so that we can be helpful to our buyers so that they can move on and do what they want to do. We're always trying to get you where you want to go.